Hello all, today in this video I am going to show how to save the figure which we have, that is a plot or a graph which we have obtained in an PDF file. So this is the continuation of the previous video only, so we can just make an quick overview of the previous videos we have made. So within the previous video, first you can just notice that what is the a simple bar plot only. So within the simple bar plot, first we have giving the determining the values for the data we have given over here. By using this data values, we have plotted a simple bar plot, and we have given the X labels and also the C++ and all we have given within the data tab itself. Here you may notice we have given, so it will be automatically displayed within the bar graph. And color we have given red. If you want to choose some other color means you can change it. So width also you can change it, so that's clear description will be given in its corresponding video. The next video it will show the multiple bar plot. So this bar plot you can just use when you have to compare some different algorithms variables like accuracy, precision and all. In this case you can use this bar plot. Here we have just making a random report of how many students are passing in every course in respective years. It is just a random report only, we are not using any predefined data. For that we have given the students, number of students passed in every year for C, Java, Python separately, and here we have mentioned over in the xtics variable, and then we are given the color for that is C we are giving red color, Java green color. Likewise we are determining here, it is only displayed over here in this graph. So xtics is used to mention specify here. And then in the cell this variable, that is in next is the stacked bar plot. Here you may notice we have given a team contribution. So here we have first specifying within the team contribution there are boys and girls. So we are specifying how within a team how the boys is, how many boys have contributed and how many girls are contributed, and then we are giving a width for it. Also here you may notice the X ticks we have given T2, T3, T4 and T4, but in Y ticks we have given range. So what does it specify means we have to give from 0 to 80, and also it will increase by within a series of 10. You may notice 0 to 10, 10 to 20. For that only we have given the Y ticks variable, and the legend is P1 it stands for boys, and P2 it is for, here you may notice P1 it is for boys and P2 for girls. So only we have given it in the legend, and then it will be given. So the boys will be specified as blue color and girls will be specified as orange color. From this graph you may notice that the T2 is the one which is which team is providing better thing. And here you may also differentiate whether boys contribution is high or girls contribution is high based on the stack bar plot. Then we have given a histogram bar plot. For that we are first determining the data, then we are giving a function which is used to plot the histogram, and then we have given the number of bins which we needed. So if you want to change the number of bins means you can change over here. Then we have given the X label, Y label and also a title for this graph. Then we are just using a simple bar plot, and by this how to save this bar plot we have given in the next video. For that we are using the save fig function, and we have to just make this plot. So I'm just giving some names, whatever names you prefer, and just I'm using the PNG. If you want to save in JPG also you can just use JPG, and this will be saved in the folder within which you are creating this code. If you want to make in some separate or specific location means you can just give that location. In this video we are going to make save this bar plot to save in a PDF. For that also the as previous in save in a PNG file we have to do the save fig only, but previously we used the file name that is .png, but here we are going to give .pdf. So if you notice that within which folder you are having this data, because I haven't mentioned any location, so it will be saved within the same location of which we have saved the code only. So here you may notice plot.pdf, so here you may notice it is just displayed. So likewise we can just display in pdf, jpg, and some png file. So this is the code for bar plot. In the next video likewise we will make some other series. So if you are interested in knowing some other series means, please let us know in the comment box. So if we are aware of it means, we will definitely make a video regarding it. Thank you.